Do you ever want to send a message later? Birthday wishes, reminders, or just something to pop up at the right moment, but always forget? Today I'll show you Messages Scheduler Auto SMS, how it almost auto-sends, what it can do, and what its limits are. Message Scheduler is an app that lets you pre-write SMS messages and schedule them for a future date and time. You can pick contacts, attach GIFs or pictures, and set up reminders so you don't forget. Open the app, tap New Message or Schedule, choose your contact, write your message, attach image or GIF if you want, set date and time. Then you save it. The message goes into your schedule list and waits there until it's time. When the scheduled time arrives, the app sends you a notification reminding you to send. Sometimes you'll need to tap to confirm. It's not always fully automatic. Here's when this app shines. Birthdays or anniversaries when you might forget, reminders or motivational messages you want to schedule ahead when you want to write something later but send it at a specific time. But there are things to watch out for. Fully automatic sending is not guaranteed, especially for third-party messaging apps. For SMS, it's more reliable. For Messenger or other chat apps, probably you'll need that extra tap. Attachments like GIFs or photos sometimes glitch. Ads can be annoying, and app permissions, privacy concerns come into play. Recurring messages might not always work or could cost extra. Need pro features. So, is Messages Scheduler Auto SMS useful? Absolutely, if you see it right. Just know its limits so you won't get frustrated. Try it out. Schedule a message now and test whether it works for your phone.